Suppet tool against sore throat and cough. Once, after a severe cold, I couldn't get rid of a sore throat and cough for a long time. We grind the peeled banana and mash it in the form of a puree and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa to it. After that, add a glass of hot milk and mix well. You can add sugar according to taste. But honey is better than sugar, if you are not allergic to it. I drank such a remedy in the evening, and in the morning I started sweating. After 2 repetitions, the cough disappeared. Go to my profile, there is a lot of interesting and useful things. And do not forget to subscribe, so as not to miss the most important thing for the health of life.